Welcome to our exciting video where we'll show you how effortlessly install IPTV on your Chromecast. But before we dive in, check out the link in the description for the best IPTV provider, 2tv.store. Contact Nancy from customer support for personalized assistance and stellar service. We promise you'll find this video not only useful, but a game changer in your streaming journey. Let's get on with the installation. First, ensure your Chromecast and TV are on. Ready your favorite device with a stable internet connection to start the seamless process. Navigate to the IPTV app of your choice on your device. Make sure it's compatible and updated to the latest version before proceeding further with the setup. Once inside the app, utilize the easy-to-follow prompts to identify the devices available. Select Chromecast and give it a moment to synchronize for streaming. Now sit back and relax as your IPTV experience begins. Enjoy crystal clear channels right from your Chromecast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and connect with 2tv.store via the link below.